Hello, welcome. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. This video just for brief about that we are going to introduce our new sessions which will be completely based on Visual Builder. And in these sessions, obviously what's going to learn? You are going to learn to design and develop web page applications which will directly interact with that Fusion ERP applications. That's where we are considering this as a Visual Builder applications. So that sessions we are going to start, and obviously that next video you will see the day one sessions, day two sessions, and all. We'll upload all this day by day. So what you are going to learn, all these in sessions, you are going to learn from scratch to develop applications. That applications will interact with that ERP applications and do the transactions, whatever is there. That's our low code platform that which we are going to develop, and we are going to obviously build applications using that Visual Builder Studio. We are going to learn all this. And obvious, if you are freshers or you are new in these technologies, it's for you, no worries, because we are going to start it from scratch. So for prior knowledge, if you will say what you required for learning Visual Builder Studio, that basic of HTML, CSS, and API knowledge, that how APIs works, what is the API, and like request payload, response payload, that kind of things. If you have, that's enough to understand and enough to learn that Visual Builder. And we know when we are saying that Visual Builder, it's a low code platform to design and develop web page and mobile applications which specifically interact with that Oracle ERP applications. Obvious, in Visual Builder Studios we have flexibilities to create standalone applications, which obviously no need to interact directly with the ERP applications only, but yes, we have options to go for that. So just for course overview, what we are going to learn in this and what we are going to do for these sessions. So obviously we have multiple sessions for this, and you are going to learn about creating applications in Visual Builder Studio, and yes, you will learn about how to manage and configures. We'll talk about that database, which for Visual Builder we are saying that business object. So that's we are going to learn where, like for example, we are going to create applications. That applications need to store informations. Later we have to extract that information and display into our web pages. So all this we are going to learn. And also in the sessions only we'll learn about that Redwood components which comes under the Visual Builders. All these things we'll learn about that. We developed integrations, we deploy that Visual Builder applications, and now later we have to do enhancement changes, and also how we can do all these things we are going to learn. And obvious, while working and learning that Visual Builder Studio, we have to deploy that applications, right? That Visual Builder applications, whatever we created. So all this we are going to cover the sessions. And as I already given you brief that what is Builder Studio, that's IDE tools that help us to design and develop web page applications. That's low code platform. When we are saying that low code platform, it means that we don't require that the knowledge, coding knowledges and all. It's just like drag and drop building and developing that applications. So all this we are going to cover during this our sessions. And when we are talking about that Visual Builder applications and development and delivery, so obvious we have to develop, and after developing, testing and all, we have to deploy that applications, and we have lots of things for do that CCD pipelines and all. And now if you will talk about that designing and developing that applications with interacting that databases, or like interacting with backend and invoking web API services, everything we are going to cover in these sessions. So this VBCS, that's Visual Builder sessions, completely will start from scratch to give you a brief to develop an applications, so that you can have the brief idea on all these things that we are going to cover. And obvious that Visual Builder, they given flexibilities to for projects, and inside the projects we go for environment, pipelines, Git repositories to create different branches, and also that's everything we are going to cover. And obvious the common task and flow, if you will talk about that Visual Builder Studio, that's where we are just going to create environment, and then we are just going to managing the source code with Git, so that we can have different branches, and we want to just go deploy one of the branch code, and also that we can do. So we have that workspaces where we are designing applications, and then once we are designing and building applications, we have to deploy and migrate that applications to our environment. So all these things we are going to cover. That during the sessions only we are going to cover. So this VBCS, That visual builder session is specifically for the new who just want to build their career in visual builder studio and want to portray themselves as a visual builder developers with that obvious to building that applications and all. So that session is specifically for you. So thank you so much. We'll upload videos one by one. Thank you so much again for watching this video.